Hi there my fellow travelers, Mitchell's World Traveler here of course as always, and welcome back to a brand new video. And yes, I know it is another unboxing of a camera. Now the reason being is because there's a few features on this camera that I really do love. Now if you remember a few months back that I did an unboxing video of this camera that I'm recording on right now, which I said will be my main camera from now on, which at that very moment it was true. I was going to use that camera as my main vlogging camera, but because only because the camera that I really wanted, or the style or the type of camera, was just too expensive, just out of my reach, out of my budget limit that I had at the time. But at the moment, well, since yesterday, it was within the budget range that I would have willing to pay for it. So that is one of them, and also the features which I will be showing you in just a moment. Which I like and which I think is essential to a vlogger, or at least for me it is. Other people, because I like to, because my channel is created on me showing my face, which today I'm going topless because it's a bit warm outside and the window is bringing a nice breeze which is cooling me down. But for me, because I showed my face in my very first video, I'll be a face vlogger, which means I'll be showing my face in almost all my videos. So the features on this camera is very good for that, and I'm guessing some of you might already know. So that's it. The camera, this one I'm using right now, will be given to my fiance, which will be my wife in quite a few days, probably about two and a half weeks, which I'm very excited for. So I'll be trying to capture as many footage as I can in Manila or in Bali, since I don't get to travel as much as some vloggers do, or some channels do. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? Oh, by the way, this before I do, this is for if you're wondering, this is for something else. I do have another channel, a gaming channel, which I started about 2 weeks ago, a brand new one, but this is just for an image that I'm gonna be doing for my channel, which will be up and running very soon. I'll put a link down in one of my newer my future videos, when I do have everything finished and set up. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Alrighty, so I got this from JB Hi-Fi yesterday. This was the most expensive camera that I actually bought, which was $900. But this is cheap compared to the rest of its competitors. But it's also cheap for it being an entry-level DSLR type of camera. But this is a mirrorless one. So yeah. Before I show the camera, I'm going to just show you what I actually got for the camera. I bought this as well. This is a case for my camera and its lens, because it comes with a lens. Because I didn't want to put it into my into just like alone in my hand carry baggages, because it could, you know, get damaged, or the sense or the lens could get damaged, and if I do not have the lens, the quality of the video and photos will not be good. So if I open it, it looks pretty. Oh, okay, it comes with a strap, so I could put the straps and hang it over my neck or something like that, or do this, put my belt through there and have it like on my person. You know, so it's big enough to hold my camera and the lens together, so which is fairly good. I'll definitely be using this. So without further ado, let me show the camera, shall we? Now the camera that I got today was, well, got yesterday was this, a Canon EOS M50. Now it's a very good camera. I have researched this camera before. Prior to me purchasing this, I've gone through a few videos on YouTube. Let me just close this. I have gone through a few videos on YouTube of people reviewing this camera and a few other ones. Now there was a little bit more expensive camera than this that did a little bit better quality photos, but it was about $100 more, which I was not willing to pay. So I chose this one instead because it does the job very well for me, from what I'll be doing from the reviews and everything. So let's get into opening, shall we? So let me see. Oh, I forgot to cut it open. So I'm using okay, let's open it, shall we? Oh. Alrighty, so let's see exactly what we get from the unboxing. So we get paper, camera assist. Okay, so I can send the photos and videos directly to my phone, which is nice. Warranty card. In case my camera gets broken or needs repairing, I can send it in. I don't know. User manual, the standard paperwork really, warranty, instruction manual, but because I've never used a camera like this before, I probably will be reading through the manual at some point, maybe later today or tonight or something, just to get more familiar with the features of it and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just a standard manual. Alrighty, so first thing is we get is the strap for the camera that you can put on, kind of just like this, basically like the bag. You put the strap on, and you can carry it, in your hand if you like, or around your neck, but mainly for around your neck. So which will be what I'll be doing for my future videos to Manila, Bali, or wherever else. Alrighty, so we've got the battery, just a small, just a normal battery size, which is good. So yeah, anyway, let's get in the rest. Here's the lens. Okay, the lens that that the camera comes with. Let's see. Oh, that bit feels nice. It's got a 15 to 45 mil lens, which has image stabilizer in it, so I'll be able to stabilize my videos and images, so that's good. Oops, I don't want to open that yet. So we open it up here, which is nice. I'm pretty sure that you can probably use this little cap for that, unless they have a different cap for the thing itself. So that's the lens. I'm just going to put it back into the bag before actually, you know what, I'll just put it down very nicely. So you get the charging cable for your charging brick to charge the battery, of course. Just a standard cable. Here we go. Here's the standalone charging for your battery. So that means, if I'm not mistaken, you can either charge your battery through the camera itself, or standalone battery charger, which this one has. So it just sucks that it didn't come with an extra battery, because I remember many years ago I bought a cell phone. I was very young still, and I bought a cell phone, a Samsung, and the Samsung actually had 2 separate batteries in it, which means I can have one in my phone, charge the other one, and then do the same thing, vice versa. So yeah, it just sucks that they didn't put 2 batteries in it, but I will try to find an extra battery for the camera, so I can have always one on charge and one in the camera, and then switch between the two. So that would be great. So let's just see what this looks like, just to make sure. Okay, so you just open it up, take this off, and just like that. Take it out, put it in your camera, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. Alrighty, so that's the big moment of truth. So the camera itself. Okay, nothing else in there. So let's careful. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. That's so sexy. So sexy. Oh, nice one. So yeah, it actually did come with a cap for the camera itself. So I think you press the button and you. Oh, okay. Yeah. Alrighty. So anyway, I'm not going to remove that just yet, fully. I'll try to put the lens in later. But anyway, so here are the features that I really do, or really looked for in a camera. Now, first thing is, it has a lens changer. I can change the lens. I can buy different lenses for it. It has to be Canon, I believe, just Canon lenses. But that lens, I can then make my videos look nice, more nicer if I want to. But I'm going to be using this lens for the majority of my channel from now on, because the lenses are just so expensive. But I'll try to find very nice, good looking, very nice lenses that are much cheaper. But typically they're like $400, $500 a lens, which is fairly expensive. But at the moment I have one, so I don't have to worry. So that's one of the features. The next one is this up top here. Now it has a built-in flash already, which I need to try to find out. The flash is right here, right there. So it has a flash, or I can buy one external one that's bigger and attach it to it. That makes it a bigger flash than this little one. Anyway, so the feature that goes along with this is I'll be able to attach a microphone. Now this is the microphone I got for the camera, which I will be unboxing in just a little bit, and show you how that works for this camera. So you just remove that and attach the microphone, the external one there, or the flash. So I'll just put that back on, just for safe. Now the other feature that I do like, and I think is essential, which I did mention in the beginning of the video, is the screen. Now as you can see, I can open, I can open it up like that. It can go like that, alright, and it can turn 360, well 108, well basically 360, and then I can have it like that. This is well, some people say it's a selfie mode, where you can see yourself. Now this is what I want. This is what I was talking about earlier. This is the feature that I want, so I can do my vlogs like this. I can then see what I'm shooting, if someone's behind me or not, and stuff like that. And I can flip it back, put the screen in there, and have it like that if I wanted to do that, if I felt like it. But I'm not going to be using it like that as much. But if I'm going to use it for photos, I'll just look through the viewfinder here, and I'll be able to do my photos like that. Now this is the mode I'll be using it all the time when I'm doing my videos, so I can actually see myself, because this is the main feature of this camera that I like, of any of the cameras that has a feature like this, because you can get to see yourself, to see how you're shooting it, instead of not able to see you. You can maybe shoot half of your face missing or stuff like that, you know what I mean. So that's that. So that's the feature that I wanted to show you. Now the next and the final feature that I want to show you that this camera has is a dedicated microphone port, which I just showed you that this microphone I'm going to be using. I can unplug it. I can plug in the microphone in there, the port in there, and I will be able to get better sound quality, better quality via audio for my videos, which I do want, because I want the best quality of image and video for you guys. So that's that. Then it has one of these mini HDMI and USB port in here, so I'm assuming that you probably can charge your camera with the battery inside via the mini USB port there if you want. It's got Wi-Fi and I've never used this. You see that feature, that symbol over there? I've never really used that feature before. I'm not really sure what it's for, to be honest. I'm a bit stupid in that way. But Wi-Fi, so which means I can download my videos directly to my phone if it's necessary. But I'm not going to do that, I don't think, unless I can't use my laptop, and I have it right there. So I can edit my videos when I'm in Bali or in Manila a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna put in the battery and see how it looks like. So let me just do this real quickly, just for the fun of it. The battery goes in here, of course, on the bottom, as well as the SD card. But I'm not going to put an SD card in right now because it's right in my my camera. But actually, hold on, I have an SD card here. Hold on, let me see. Oh, here we go. Actually, I have an 8 gig one, so I can put that in and see. How the fuck do you put this in there? Oh, here we go, like that. And now let's put in the battery. I think we have a bit of juice in here. Oh fuck, come on now. How the fuck do you put this in? Oh yeah, definitely like this. There we go. So without further ado, let's put on the camera, shall we? Change battery pack. Ah, okay. The battery is completely flat, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to charge the battery. I will do a sample video of it, as soon as I can, to test it out for you guys. So with that, now let's do the unboxing of the microphone, shall we? So this is the microphone that I got. This was about $90, which is fine. So it goes, let me just show you how it will be going for me. I'll do that. I'll put in right there. Just lock it in place. Open us up. So that's how my setup will be like. The microphone will be picking up my voice and audio from my voice much better, and this is how it will be like that. I can't wait. It does stand out a little bit more than this one I'm recording on right now, but it's fine for me. It doesn't really bother me as much, but yeah, that's really it. Of course the thing goes in there and in the back of the microphone, and also inside the camera itself. But that is it, guys. That is all I have to show you guys today. I really hope that you did enjoy this little unboxing. I do apologize if the background noises from outside, or if I did talk a little bit softly. I'm sorry. I'm still a little bit nervous of recording my face and recording in general, because I've never done it before. So I hope I'm doing okay. I'll definitely try to do much better in the future, but who knows. Again, this will be my main camera from now on. This will be my main camera from now on. This is the Canon EOS M50. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video, and remember, the world's our holiday, so enjoy it. Until next time, bye.